Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 12th chapter, that is the profit, loss and tax. So in previous classes already we have discussed about that what is the discount, okay, and how it is mark price, selling price, and how we are discount we are getting the rebate, that we have studied in the previous video. But students, today we are going to discuss very important things, that is called as tax. So did you hear this word, the tax? Yes. Whenever you are purchasing or you are going to any shops for any restaurant, then whenever you are getting the bills, whatever amount you have brought or you have to pay, for that one extra charges are you have to pay. That extra charges you are paying directly or indirectly to the government. That is called as a tax. Taxes actually collected by the government, central government, state government, to help to give the service of the public. Okay, they are collecting from the public as a tax, and then after they are helping in the different way to the giving the service to the public. So students, there are different types of taxes are there. Especially there are sales tax, entry tax, VAT, value added tax, and a service tax. These all are, that means sales tax, entry tax, VAT means value added tax, and a next one is service tax. This special, it was the first starting, but after this it is all are single, it is replaced at a single, that is called as a GST, goods and services tax. Goods and service tax, this all four are replaced by a single tax, that is called as a GST. GST full from what is the students? Goods and service taxes. Goods and service tax, that is called as GST. And mainly this GST classified into three categories. One is CGST, another one is SGST, third one is IGST. What do you mean by CGST? Central Goods and Service Tax. SGST, that is called as State Goods Service Tax. IGST means Integrated Goods and Service Tax. So this GST mainly classified into three categories. That one CGST, CSGST, and IGST. So CGST means Central Goods and Service Taxes, SGST means State Goods and Service Tax, and IGST means Integrated Goods and Service Tax. So how this GST or we are collecting, our shopkeepers are collecting from us and paying to the government, we will discuss through the some applications basis. So let us see. Okay friends, now you should see that based on the taxes I have given them some problems. You should see. First question you should see. Sonu bought a shirt listed at 850 rupees for rupees 892.50. After paying the tax, what is the rate of the tax? So listed, what is the amount? List the amount is how much? 850. Yes. Okay. Now further telling, we have to find out the tax. What is the rate of tax? The rate of tax is equal to rate of, it is the selling price. Selling price is equal to 892.50. So rate of tax is equal to, what will be? 892.50 minus 850 by 850 into 100. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि जो सेलिंग प्राइस होने के बाद जो लिस्ट का होता है उसको सबट्रैक्शन होने के बाद 850 में, मतलब जो लिस्टिंग में इसको डिवाइड करना है इनटू 100. ठीक है. सो व्हाट विल गेट? विल गेट 892.50 850.00. So 50 here 2 4 42.50 by 850 into 100. So if you will multiply, then you will get that 4250 by 850 is equal to, if you will multiply this, if you will cut, this is all will be percentage, ठीक है. So if you will cut, how much will come? 5, 5 5 is 42, the 5 will come. If you will cut 5 1 is 5 5 is, you will get the 5%, ठीक है. So hence rate of tax is equal to 5%, ठीक है. So same like students observe that example 2, Manish bought a mobile phone listed at this, that means mark price. Okay, solution, mark price of the phone is equal to कितना 15,800. This is the mark price. Listed means mark price. Okay, if he got a discount 6.5% on it, okay, and then after paid the tax 12%, that means what is the discount first we can find out. Given that discount percentage, discount is equal to कितना 6.5%. So discount amount or discount on we can write that discount is equal to 6.5% of 15,800 rupees is equal to 65 by 10 into 15,800. 0 to 0 cancel. 65 into 1508, that will get how much will you get, friends? 6.5, sorry, here 100 it is there little, we can see that here 6.5 by 10 by 100 means we can write by 100, so it's equal to 6 by 1000 into 15800. These are 00 cancel, ठीक है. So now 65 into 158 by 10 is equal to, we will get 1027 rupees. So this is the discount, ठीक है. Now what do you have to do? You should see, students. Now we got that the discount 1027 rupees. So then what is the selling price we can find out? The selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Mark price minus discount. Mark price how much, friends? 15,800 minus 1027. Subtract 15,800 minus 1027. 3 9 9 7 7 7 4 14,773. This is the selling price. Okay, so now what you have to find out, that friends, we have to find the tax. ठीक है, so tax is equal to, what do you do? What is that formula? Now we have to see that the 12% of this, what is that? 12% of 14,773, ठीक है. So what you will get? 12 by 100 into 14,770, because what is the selling price on that tax will come. So if you divide, what will get? Do one thing, 14773 into 12 multiplied. 6 7 12 1 16 1 1 2. So if you divide this, you will get 276276 divided by 100 is equal to, will get 2762.76. So 2762 is the taxes. So what will get? So total amount paid. Total amount paid is equal to how much? 14,773 plus 2,762.76. If you add, how much will add? We'll add this is 14,773 76 5 1 1 17,535.76. So friends, this is the total amount you want to pay. 17,535 है ना, सॉरी 45 आता, ठीक है। Okay friends, here so let me recollect do. So 12% means 12% of 14,773 is equal to 12% means 12 by 100 into 14,773 is equal to, if you simplify this we will get 1772.76, मतलब 1772 rupees 76 paise. So this is the tax we got, and whatever the tax we got, we have to add with the selling price. So amount paid 14,773 plus this is the tax 1772.76 is equal to, if you add we will get 16,545.76. that means this is the paise, 16,545 rupees 76 paise. Okay friends, so like this you have to complete that exercise 12.3. Okay, thank you all of you, have a nice day.